Hi everyone, my name is Dylan Grant and welcome to part 6 of my presentation on Ontario Superior Court of Justice Motion Record and Order. Okay, now we are at B, tab B, and still, as you can see here, it's a combined order. This should not have been, but the court system, Superior Court of Justice, is going along with the deception of the lawyers. Okay, we are dealing. It's supposed to be. It shouldn't have. This should not have been there. That's just saying. All right, but as we go along, you're not going to see the bill mobility part in it. You just see the other part. Money Life Insurance and Company Industrial Insurance and Financial Services Inc. All right. Letter dated July 17, 2018. Okay. That's what you're going to deal with. Tab B. B. Letter dated July 17, 2018. See docket sheet from Nicolini Law to Benjamin Law. If statement of claim existed, why wasn't I informed or involved in its creation? Okay. The deception of Nicolini Law Firm without my involvement created statement of claim for long-term disability Ltd against Money Life Insurance, which was incorrect. If I had retained Nicolini Law Firm for long-term disability, I would have informed Adrian Nicolini that I was suing Money Life for 1 month payment for short-term disability. That was between April 22nd, 2018 and May 1st, 2018, and for damages, right? And Industrial Alliance Insurance for long-term disability, effective May 2nd, 2018 to present. I would have separated my claims into 3 parts. Okay, so here this was from the motion, right? I saw this letter in the motion from Money Life on July 17, 2018 to Adrian Nicolini, all right? And it says Manufacturers Life Insurance Inc., right? And it went on to say, I am in receipt of your claim and claims, no, sorry, I am in receipt of your clients, as if I sent through something. I didn't send through anything. Here they're saying I am in receipt of your client's statement of claim and advise that Money Life Insurance in relation to disability claims brought by Bell Canada. I don't work with Bell Canada, work with Bell Mobility employees, relate solely to administering short-term disability claims on behalf of Bell Canada pursuant to a disability management services agreement. Bell Canada retains liability for payment of short-term disability, which I know Money Life is for short-term disability. As an employee, I know that, okay? Payment of short-term disability benefits for its employees, okay? They are liable, for short-term disability, right? Money Life is not involved in administering or adjudicating the long-term benefits for this group. Accordingly, Money Life retains, right? Money Life retains no liability for short-term disability and or long-term disability benefits claimed by your client in this action. So this information here I've enlarged on a slide two slides over, right? I just want you to listen. I have a snippet of what you have listened to it already, but I brought it forward again. Okay, Courtney Madison from Naymark Law said it is illegal for a lawyer to file a claim on your behalf without your consent. All right. Before I give you a listen, okay, I said one based off the information here. I said one, I was unaware of statement of claim on this date. Money Life received statement of claim on my behalf. One, two. Did not retain lawyer for long-term disability. I did not retain Adrian Nicolini. Wow. This lawyer is wrong on so many levels. Wow. 3, shouldn't I have received a copy for review first? 4, shouldn't I be notified of this letter? Okay, please feel free to review. Please feel free to listen to the snippet. Just short. Okay, thank you. I didn't separate. Honestly, it was not my intent to separate. That's why I was so happy when you said, you could put all together. Because everything was with one lawyer. Everything was with one lawyer. But as I told you, 8 months later, I didn't know. One lawyer, okay, that's what I'm telling you. Pardon? You had one claim issued by Samburu, you had one issued by Nicolini, and then you had Benjamin Law on file, and then Nicolini was Who's Samburu? Who's Samburu? Samburu, the buffer. Oh, Samburu. Yeah, no, that's what I'm telling you. 8 months later, I was not retained by Nicolini Law. So I didn't know what was going on. So I just went for consultation. It was free. So when that lawyer, Benjamin Law. For a lawyer to file papers on your behalf without your consent. Pardon? It's basically illegal for a lawyer to file papers on your behalf without your consent. I would think so too. And this is a part of the letter from Money Life Insurance, 2 slides over, that I enlarged for you. I've read it before. Okay, just for you to read it. I have enlarged it. Okay. Nicolene is submitted on my behalf. Okay, and I know definitely that Money Life Insurance for short-term disability. I worked for the company for 20 years, so I know that. Okay, and long-term disability belongs to Industrial Alliance. Okay, please feel free to review. Thank you. All right. Money Life Insurance Company ended my short-term disability prematurely. Short-term disability was ended on April 2nd instead of May 1st, 2018. Money Life Insurance owes for period April 2nd, 2018 to May 1st, 2018. And as you can see, okay, based on this letter from Adele Belize, Money Life, Thursday, April 12, 2018, it says here, therefore, your short-term disability benefits are suspended as of April 2nd, 2018. Then she went on to say, please note that the short-term disability benefits will expire on May 1st, 2018. So, I'm old. 1 month short-term disability, right? When it went over to Industrial Alliance for long-term disability, right? Industrial Alliance confirmed it here. I see Industrial Alliance and it says Verdun, May 8, 2018. Okay, Verdun is in Montreal. Okay, and it says here we received your file from Money Life in Financial as well as your signed authorization. Your short-term disability cycle will be ended on May 1st, 2018. But Money Life ended it prematurely on May 2nd, 2018. All right? Okay? And I was told that I will not get, I was denied long-term disability. Okay? Please feel free to review. Thank you. Here, again, proof. It says, please note that your short-term disability benefits will expire on May 1st, 2018, but it was prematurely removed. Therefore, your short-term disability benefits are suspended as of April 2nd, 2018. Money Life. So I'm owed for 1 month plus damages. Okay, please feel free to review. Thank you. Now we're at C. Tab C. Letter dated September 18, 2018 with notice intent to defend dated September 18, 2018. Things were going on without my knowledge, eh? C and D, unaware of the following letter dated September 18, 2018 and letter dated December 17, 2018. So I did C and D of the tabs, okay? September 18, 2018, and it says Manufacturers Life Insurance Company. And it says, please find attached the notice of intent to defend of the manufacturer's insurance company which is served. Okay, this is from Money Life. to Adrian Nicolini. I do not know what they're talking about. All right, never seen a the statement of defense or anything like that. Money Life Insurance, a company again in December 17, 2018, they're still stating that here that they are not long-term disability, but for short-term disability. Just so you know, that's what all this is saying here. All right, and that's why I indicated here that my claim on Money Life is not long-term disability, but for damages, short-term, 1 month short-term disability and damages. I had provided proof to Nicolini Law, but the firm did otherwise. All right, I have from the information here, I indicated 1, Nicolini Law was intentional to have opened a claim on Money Life for long-term disability, and 2, deception. 3 I already went through, 3 with you, and 4, now I know why I was not included. Okay, feel free to review. Thank you. Without my involvement, Adrian Nicolini Law, went behind my back to sue Money Life Insurance for long-term disability. Was this an intent to create a statement of claim with the incorrect issue to delay my case? As they reiterated, I already knew that Money Life Insurance claim was for short-term disability. As a previous employee of Mobility for 20 years, it was already established that Money Life Insurance is responsible for short-term disability. On June 5, 2018, I was not presented with a contract to be retained by a Nicolini Law firm. With no explanations, I was told that he would be suing for wrongful dismissal and long-term disability. That's what he said, right? He didn't break it down, right? He'll be suing for wrongful dismissal and long-term disability. I left documents for Adrian Nicolini to review with the hope that I would be retained at a later date with details of my case, the amount to be litigated, and cost. Adrian Nicolini, while I was at work at Money Life, I told you, Money Life was lying on me and all that, and I asked him to get involved. So he was responding on my behalf to Money Life, to Adele, right? So when I got fired, I guess Adrian Nicolini thought that Money Life was also responsible for long-term disability. Maybe that's why he's he put in the statement of claim, maybe, but it was wrong. He should have asked me. Okay. Suing for damages, Money Life Insurance. I've included a few of the many deceptions of Money Life Insurance below. I forced back to work to use my left hand. I'm not left-handed. This is damages, Money Life, okay? This was in March 2017. Benefits ceased April 2017 while I was still at physiotherapy and had to wait 9 months to restart, eh? I could have been on long-term disability receiving treatment. My salary was seized as I forced back to work when both hands were in pain in November 2017. Manipulation of the medical system to distort their medical note, and I have proof. Provided false information to Bear Mobility, and I have proof. Proof of the above and more can be found under discrimination by Money Life Insurance. Okay? Okay. We're now at E. Letter dated January 28, 2019. Okay. E. Letter dated January 28, 2019. I was unaware of the existence of this letter. This letter was created after I requested the statement of claim on January 8, 2019. Received statement of claim. The manufacturer's Life Insurance Company and Industrial Alliance Insurance and Financial Services, Inc. on January 10th from Ashton Steele, Nicolini Law Firm. So January 28, 2019. And remember, I got the statement of claim on January 10, 2019. Okay, the Manufacturers Life Insurance Board, and it says here Grant versus Industrial Alliance, and it went on to say, further to your letter dated December 17, 2018, right? This is Nicolini Law sending a letter to Manufacturers Life Insurance, okay, on January 28th, after I requested a statement of claim. Okay, further to your letter dated December 17, 2018, enclosed for your ease of reference. Please be advised that we are waiting for confirmation of the amended statement of claim prior to discontinuing action against Manulife. Prior to discontinuing action against Manulife. What was this about? Why was there an amended statement of claim? If statement of claim was completed in July 2018, why amend 6 months later? Okay, please feel free to review. All right. Again, at this point in time, I was dealing with Kevin Marshall law. All right, in January 2019. Ashton Steel provided statement of claims on 10th of January 2019. And this statement of claims, that this is what I got. It was not amended then. Okay, this is what I got from Ashlyn. All right. And I can see it did, honestly, when I read some of the contents here, and it did not apply to me. It did not apply. Because I said, what are they talking about? What are they talking about? Because they have him here, good faith with him. They have back pain, and they have depression and stress and insomnia and all these things. And I'm thinking, they're not talking about me at all, right? Please feel free to review. Thank you. January 11, 2019. Okay. It says this was I got denied by Kevin Marshall law. Yeah, eventually. Okay. But on January 11, 2019, I told Linda of Kevin Marshall law what my experience was, and she said, we're sorry to hear that you're experiencing some such difficulties in employment and your disability claims. Okay, I already went through this on another presentation. Please feel free to review. Thank you.